Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see the energies coming to you ngayong August 2026. So this is your monthly reading. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see, Aries, what's coming to you? Compassion. This is love for yourself, love for others, love for the people na talagang nandyan for you. I think you will also express your love, your care for others. Mas magiging mapagmahal, expressive ng feelings mo towards other people. Let's see what else. Emotional healing. Oh, ang ganda. So you're healing from ano man yung mga naging challenges mo, na nagbigay sa'yo ng mabigat na pakiramdam sa iyong emosyon. You may be forgiving someone, okay, with compassion here. Oo, pwede rin sarili mo tong pagbibigyan mo or pagbibigyan. Pag patatawarin mo, you may be giving someone a chance to be part of your life again. Whoa. So Pisces energy, very sensitive, very expressive ng emotions. Your instinct, your intuition are going to be on point. I think, Aries, ngayong August for some of you, can be an emotional month. Para siyang, it's like a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride of emotions. Pwedeng energies from the past, you will resolve mga unfinished business issues sa past mo. Your overall energy is the 9 of Wands. So, yung iba sa inyo, pagod na, exhausted, but you are still standing your ground. Malakas pa rin ang loob mo, lumalaban pa rin. Laban lang kahit na nahihirapan ka para sa pamilya. Ayan. You also have the 10 of Cups. So, pwedeng kasi nasa challenge nyo to. Challenging situation within family dynamics. Pwedeng merong person na magbabalik sa buhay mo, sa pamilya nyo. Merong mga matitrigger na old wounds. Okay, pwedeng, let's say, a family member na nagkaroon kayo ng alitan in the past that, will be trying to babalik sa buhay mo and it will trigger some emotions. Or ikaw yung babalik sa buhay ng isang tao and it will trigger emotions. Now diba? Your opportunity is the 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups about the past. Especially that, I think tapos na yung retrograde ng Mercury by that time, pagdating ng August. However, si Saturn is in retrograde. Okay? And, ano pa ba yung ibang planets? I think Neptune is also in retrograde. Pwedeng mga karmic bonds. Yung may opportunity ka na ayusin yung mga unfinished business, mga issues in the past. May pagpapatawad. What is the blessing? The High Priestess. So as a blessing, this is your instinct, your intuition, your wisdom. You will be blessed with wisdom na makakatulong sa decision making mo. Kaya I think even if medyo heavy yung energies ng nitong August for you, especially that Saturn is in Aries and in retrograde yan. So you might feel stuck during this time, but regardless, it is for your own good, okay? for your own good, for your own benefit. And yung higher self naman ang iyong kakampi dyan. You will be guided by your higher self sa mga kailangan mong i-resolve, harapin sa buhay. Okay? News of a birth or a new business opportunity. This is good. So, maaring may magsisimula na bagong trabaho, business, career, even relationship, or pregnancy. Or merong manganganak na family member. Merong bagong parang ipapanganak. It's like launching a new business opportunity. Dealings or relationship with a man. So this can be a person na patatawarin mo, pababalikin mo sa buhay mo. Just make sure na talagang na-heal mo na yon. Hindi naman kasi kailangan porket pinatawad mo, pababalikin mo na sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Wow! O 'di ba may success? There is definitely success in your life ngayong August. I want to know in what area of life is this? The 12th house. Oh, this is your, healing talaga. It's like a successful healing opportunity for you. Healing from the past. Very spiritual yung energies for you ngayong August. Para sa mga Aries. Let's see what else for Aries ngayong August 2026. Army of Life. Ask for help, seek support, you are not alone. Minsan kasi gusto nyo, yung bang kaya nyo, no? Na ako lang, ako na to, independent kasi mga Aries. But there are times na kailangan mo ng tulong. It's okay. Okay lang humingi ng tulong. Meron kang support around you. Minsan kailangan lang talaga nating tanggapin sa sarili natin na may pagkakataon na mahina tayo at nangangailangan tayo ng suporta ng iba. Be open to that support and love and care. O diba, magtiwala ka. Approach the situation with a light heart. Trust in yourself. Trust in other people. Siyempre with precaution, no? Minsan kasi masyadong mataas ang iyong wall na you don't want anyone to be part of your life. But minsan hindi natin alam, we are missing out on a lot of things dahil dun sa wall na yon. Okay? Trust that you are not alone. Sabi nga sa Bible, no? Ask and you shall receive. Diba? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.